You know, the problem with these, especially the old wood ones, there's number one, a maintenance issue, that you have to paint them every 3 to 5 years. The second one, of course, is energy savings. These windows are single pane, they let in a lot of heat, they let in a lot of cold air. And if you've got rugs or other furniture that might be valuable, these also don't have any UV protection. So if you've ever been in a house, you see like half of a rug that's bleached, and where it might be shaded under a table, it's the original color. Having a newer window with the argon gas in between the insulated panes will block the UV rays and keep your rugs and your furniture from fading. So getting rid of these would be a good long-term solution. And you don't have to do the whole house at once. Most contractors out there will let you replace a couple of windows at a time. They'll be, depending on the size, between like $250 and $450 a piece, probably installed. So, you know, when you have a little bit extra money, do a couple of windows. Start in the rooms that you're in the most, that you want to be the most comfortable. Master bedroom, family room, kitchen, stuff like that. And then just work out. But you'll get your money back out of that when you end up selling.